In this video, I'm going to show you how to traction your middle back at home. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. So when it comes to getting decompressive traction into the upper and middle back, we need to focus on two things. One, putting your back into extension or a backwards movement, and then using gravity to aid into pulling those spinal joints open a little bit. So I'm going to show you a couple different techniques that will hopefully open up the upper and middle back, give you a lot of relief, maybe just make it feel like you have more range of motion going on. The great part about these stretches and exercises, they don't require any special equipment. They can be done at home. They're safe and effective and can give relief in as little as 30 seconds. So let's get started with them and get you feeling better. So I'm going to break this up into a very easy step-by-step guide that's going to go from light traction in the middle back to a more intense. So make sure to follow along through the whole video and go with the one that gives you the best results. So to start off with, we're going to lay flat in bed. And what I'm going to do is slowly slide back to the edge until my head starts to come off and let gravity take it. What you want to do is use your feet to kick back as much as you can until you really start to feel a very good traction into the upper and middle back. You can also position this to pivot over the spot that you feel needs the most amount of attention. Once you get to that point, just let gravity take your the weight of the head and the upper back downwards towards the floor. You can hold this upwards to 15-30 seconds if you feel comfortable. From here, if we're looking to get even more traction into the middle back, take your hands, place them on the back of the head right here, and then just let gravity take the elbows downwards. And I tell you what, when I do this, it feels very, very good. And sometimes I actually get a pop or crack into the upper or middle back. If that's the case, that's completely normal. It's just gases being released through this natural movement. So from there, if I still feel like I need a little bit more, I can then just straighten my arms out and just really let gravity take them. And I tell you what, this is a great traction into my upper and middle back right now. Again, you can hold this for 30 seconds if you feel comfortable. Just relax and do it upwards to 3 to 5 times. So if we're still needing a little bit more, what I like to do at that point is take a towel and then from there put it at the edge of the bed right here and then just repeat that process. I try to line the towel up to a point where it's going to really be over the spot that I feel like it needs to open up the most. So what I do is position myself. I can go through those motions again and really feel a very, very good amount of traction into those spots right there. Another thing that you can do to get more traction into the upper and middle back is take a weight. I'm just using an Nalgene bottle right here, but you can use a water bottle if you have a small dumbbell, something like that. You only want it to be very lightweight. But what you're going to do is just take this and put it over your head and then hold on to it. Go back into extension with the head and allow that extra weight to be just taken downwards by gravity. You should feel a very good stretch. Again, if you're able to hold this one for 30 seconds, you're more than welcome to. Just relax and then just repeat that. For the next part, we're going to focus on the paraspinal muscles. If you're unfamiliar with them, they aid in movement. So they help you go up straight into extension. They also aid in twisting, rotational, side bending motions. What I'm going to do is lay on one side, and then I'm going to go to the edge of the bed right here until the bottom side's shoulder blade is completely off. I'm then going to cross my arms like this, allow the upper back and head to just be taken downwards with gravity. You should feel a very nice side bending stretch into the middle and upper back. Hold this for about 15 to 30 seconds. You can just slide backwards, relax for a little bit, and then just repeat that 3 to 5 times. From there, you're going to want to flip over and do it on the other side. What this does is it helps loosen things up. It gives you more range of motion into the thoracic spine. So go through all of these exercises and keep up with the ones that you feel are helping the most. If you liked the video and got a lot of relief, please show us your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.